Are you ready for a life-changing exercise that will transform your body and mind? Look no further than squats. From building strength and enhancing flexibility, to boosting athletic performance and even improving your sex life, squats offer a myriad of transformative benefits. Get ready to discover the 10 incredible ways in which squats can change your life forever. Number 1. Builds total body strength. Squats are a compound exercise that targets numerous muscles simultaneously. From your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes to your core, back, and upper body, squats engage your entire musculoskeletal system. By incorporating squats into your fitness routine, you'll witness a remarkable improvement in overall strength and power. Number 2. Enhances functional fitness. Functional fitness is the ability to perform daily activities with ease and efficiency. Squats mimic movements we commonly perform, such as sitting down, standing up, and lifting objects. By strengthening the muscles involved in these movements, squats enhance your functional fitness, enabling you to navigate everyday tasks with grace and reduced risk of injury. Number 3. Boosts athletic performance. Whether you're an athlete or a weekend warrior, squats are a game changer for your performance. By targeting large muscle groups, squats enhance explosive power, speed, and agility. Additionally, they improve balance and stability, allowing you to excel in a wide range of sports and physical activities. Number 4. Accelerates fat burning. If you're on a mission to shed those extra pounds, squats are your secret weapon. As a compound exercise, squats engage multiple muscle groups, igniting your metabolism and torching calories long after your workout ends. The increased muscle mass also leads to a higher resting metabolic rate, contributing to sustainable fat loss. Number 5. Enhances joint health and flexibility. Contrary to popular belief, squats, when performed correctly, actually promote joint health and flexibility. By strengthening the muscles surrounding the knees, hips, and ankles, squats provide added support and stability to these joints. Additionally, the squatting motion helps improve mobility, enabling you to maintain a full range of motion in your lower body. Number 6. Boosts hormonal balance. Squats have a profound impact on your hormonal balance. During a squat, your body releases anabolic hormones, including testosterone and growth hormone, which play a crucial role in muscle growth and repair. This hormonal response not only helps you build lean muscle mass, but also improves overall well-being and vitality. Number 7. Enhances posture and spinal alignment. In today's sedentary world, maintaining proper posture is more crucial than ever. Squats engage the muscles of your back, core, and hips, which are responsible for maintaining good posture and spinal alignment. By incorporating squats into your routine, you'll develop a strong, upright posture, reducing the risk of chronic back pain and enhancing your overall appearance and confidence. Number 8. Sexual benefits. Squats can have a positive impact on your sexual health and performance. By engaging the lower body muscles, including the glutes, hip flexors, and pelvic floor, squats improve blood circulation to the pelvic region. This increased blood flow can enhance arousal, sensitivity, and overall sexual satisfaction. Furthermore, the improved strength and endurance gained from squats can contribute to increased stamina and better physical performance in the bedroom. So there you have it, the incredible benefits of doing squats every day. Also, if you want to know what happens to your body when you hang every day, then click here.